APJ Abdul Kalam. Kalam, a man of great vision who aimed at the development of our country.
Yes, he was born in a middle class family in Tamil Nadu.
He was responsible for the evolution of ISRO's launch vehicle program.
Even during his tenure as a president, he was interested in the sphere of India's science and technology.
He received the nation's highest civilian honor,
The Padma Bhushan Award and the Padma Vibhushan.
and Bharat Ratna.
He enunciated a vision of future in the famous books like
Rings of Fire,
Mission India, etc.
My Journey Transforming Dreams, Mission India, etc.
Thus he gave a lot of courage and inspiration to the young scientist even at his last moment and reached to the National Beach 2015 July. So
let's
also try to work hard and put all our effort to serve our country. Do you know St. Thomas creates children who are patriotic and selfless? I am proud to say that by now St. Thomas children are selected for IIT, MIT, medicine too.
We thank our directors, principal, and our coordinators for giving this opportunity. Thanking you all.
Oh, it was so good. Do you know what happened in the morning? What happened? In the morning, I saw two rats playing in the room. Don't you think these rats are harm to us? Yeah, they spread many diseases. Do you know the man who got inspired by seeing rats? What? A person inspired by seeing rats? Who is he? I will explain his story. And you guess who he is?
Okay, sure.
Once upon a time, in America, there was a cartoonist who made many cartoons and they were all failed. Then what happened? A pastor who was well known to the cartoonist asked him to decorate the church for the Sunday school celebrations. There he saw two rats playing here and there. Then he got inspired and prepared a cartoon which has become so famous today. It's nothing but our favorite Mickey Mouse. Now you guess who he is? Yeah, I think he is Walt Disney. Yes, you are right. Here we remember another story read from a book in our school library. It's about a genius inventor. Have you read of Thomas Alva Edison? No, we never. So listen, I will tell you something about him in his school. The teacher said that he was a stupid and dumb. He was thrown out of the school. Oh God, is it so? Then what happened? His mother told the teacher, "You need not teach my child anything. I will teach him."
Then did he go to school?
No, he did not, but also he patented 1093 inventions. He also believed in hard work. He said, genius is 1% inspirations and 99% aspirations. Every failure had become a stepping stone to success for itself.
His hard work had perseverance to help him invent the electric bulb, the phonograph, and the motion picture camera, etc.
This achievement should be an inspiration to all students who can become great people by their hard work.
Oh, fine. We learned about a lot of development.
In our school, we get ample opportunities in different ways to improve our talents, physically, mentally, and spiritually too.
Thank you all.
Jai Sandhamati!
No is greater than mothers' love to express this. The blossoming buds of first and second classes want to express their love towards their parents. They are coming with a Malayalam song. The participants of this program are Akhil, Bhargavi, Virendra, Tagore, Prashanti, Liaquat, Susmita, Srinivas, Harshini, Kirtana, Soumya, Jashwant, Sunny, Joshna, Nida, Rashma, Nijo, T. Sidhu, Sushant. Let's welcome them.
ഈ നാട്ടുമാവിലെ പാൽക്കതിരുകളാടും നാ
play.
I think you are singing a song.
Yes, Nautanki.
Is it your favorite song?
Ah,
Do you know one thing? For the same song, our second and third class students are coming forward to perform a dance.
oh really? I am eagerly waiting that.
And let's welcome them. The participants are Pushpalata and Divyaraj,
Sindoor and Santosh,
Diya and Avinash,
Nandini and Rahul Dev,
Harshi and Vivek Vardhan,
Srija and Kaja.
Nagasri and Hafiz. Let's welcome them with a big applause.
Teaches us to know the value of life. Now the three